Have you ever thought about embroidering your own designs on t-shirts, caps, or personalized gifts and had no clue where to start? I get it, because the range of machines out there is massive. Some are perfect for your first steps at home with a few decorative stitches, others let you embroider professional digital designs in your sewing room, and some are literally a mini factory you can use to run a real business from your garage. Today, I'm bringing you the 7 best options available in Europe, covering that entire range, from complete beginner to entrepreneur. All the links in the video description. Let's get into it. We start at the most basic level with the Brother JX17FE Fantasy Edition. And look, I want to be upfront with you. This is not a digital embroidery machine with an automatic hoop. It's a mechanical sewing machine with decorative capabilities. I'm including it because it's the perfect entry point if you still don't know whether creative sewing is your thing. It has 17 stitch programs you select with a mechanical dial, including straight, zigzag, and a 4-step buttonhole. Its horizontal rotary shuttle lets you see the bobbin thread through a transparent cover, and when you're learning, that's pure gold because those typical beginner jams drop dramatically. The 6-point feed dog moves fabric smoothly through cotton, linen, and polyester. It's designed for anyone who prioritizes simplicity. Hems, repairs, school projects, and first decorative experiments guiding the fabric by hand. Plus, Brother replacement parts are available everywhere. We step up significantly now and enter the territory of machines that actually embroider with digital designs. The Poulin EOC06 is a massive leap. Imagine you decide to sell personalized hoodies at markets or online. You need to embroider large names on the back, logos on jackets, detailed designs on towels. With a 200 by 280 millimeter area, the Poulin gives you a workspace you'd normally only find on equipment costing 3 or 4 times as much. Poulin is a Chinese manufacturer selling directly and cutting out the middlemen, and the specs to price ratio seems like a mistake. It reaches 860 stitches per minute, has electronically adjustable tension from its 7-inch touchscreen, and reads industrial formats like DST, compatible with any professional digitizer. With that area, you can embroider a full design on the back of a hoodie in a single pass, something that's simply impossible with a 10 by 10 centimeter hoop. Technical support is remote via WhatsApp, so if you're the type who prefers taking it to a physical shop, another option might suit you better. But if you don't mind relying on online groups and tutorials, what you save more than makes up for it. Now, if digital embroidery isn't your thing, but creative sewing and quilting is, wait until you meet the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This machine is incredible. 600 built-in stitches that become 1,172 applications with mirror and elongation variations. It hits 850 stitches per minute on an internal metal chassis that absorbs vibrations, and the LCD screen suggests which presser foot to use. Where it truly shines is in free motion embroidery. Drop the feed dogs, attach the included darning foot, and suddenly you have total control for thread painting and free quilting. Think of someone who wants to create a quilt with curves, spirals, and textures that are impossible to program. With this machine, you guide the fabric as if you were painting on a canvas. It comes with 18 presser feet, an extension table, and a hard cover as standard. Compared to the JX17FE, it's like going from a bicycle to a sports car. It's still a home machine, but the highest level that exists before crossing into computerized embroidery. Now brace yourself, because with the Smart Stitch S1001, we cross directly into professional territory. This is no longer an adapted home machine, it's a compact industrial machine with 10 needles that change color automatically. On single needle machines, every color change forces you to stop, remove the thread, load another, and rethread. A design with 10 colors can steal 20 minutes just in stoppages. The S1001 solves that in seconds without you touching a thing. It runs at 1,200 stitches per minute, offers a 240 by 360 millimeter area, and weighs 42 kilos of steel. The crown jewel is its cap embroidery system with a rotary mechanism that turns the cap 270 degrees, embroidering over the natural curve from ear to ear. Imagine someone orders 50 caps for a local football team. With a home machine, you'd spend days. With the S1001, you launch the design, load the caps one by one, and the machine works while you manage orders. If you're thinking about starting a personalization business with caps, polos, and uniforms, this is the one you need. It arrives on a pallet at street level, so you'll need help getting it inside, and daily maintenance of the rotary hook is on you. We return to the home world, but with a very modern approach. What if you're looking for something lightweight that you control directly from your phone? The Brother Sketch PP1 is a completely different concept. It eliminates the screen entirely, and everything is controlled via Bluetooth with the Artspira app. It has a narrow free arm that's brilliant for getting sleeves and baby clothes in without unpicking them, and its magnetic 100 by 100 millimeter hoop simplifies hooping while protecting delicate fabrics like velvet. The app's augmented reality helps you position the design exactly where you want it. Advanced features require a monthly Artspira Plus subscription, which adds up long-term, but in return, you get an interface that anyone with a smartphone masters in minutes. Compared to the M340ED, which has its own screen and USB, the Sketch trades autonomy for a lower price and a design so compact it fits in any corner. Perfect for casual projects and personalized gifts without any hassle. The Brother Innovis M340ED is arguably the best-selling home embroidery machine, and for very good reason. Its 3.7-inch color touchscreen lets you rotate, mirror, and combine patterns directly without switching on a computer. It comes with 65 designs in memory, and just imagine your nephew's face when you embroider the character he wants on his school backpack. It connects via Wi-Fi to send designs from your phone wirelessly. Its 100 by 100 millimeter area makes it perfect for children's clothing, patches, and chest logos. Against the Poulin EOC06, the difference in area is massive, but what the M340ED does better than any other is eliminate technical frustration, and that frustration is the #1 reason people give up on embroidery. If you're looking for your first real digital embroidery machine to enjoy at home without headaches, this is the benchmark. We close with the Bernat B70 Deco, and I've saved this one for last on purpose because it sits right in that sweet spot between serious hobby and semi-professional. Manufactured under the Bernina Group, it combines Swiss engineering with a more accessible price. With a 260 by 160 millimeter area, you can embroider commercial-size adult designs without splitting files. It reaches 850 stitches per minute, has digitally adjustable thread tension, and automatically detects hoop size to prevent collisions. It includes licenses for Bernina Toolbox software for advanced editing and monograms, valued at hundreds of euros. It reads practically every format: PES, DST, VP3, JEF, HUS, EXP. It doesn't lock you into any closed ecosystem. Compared to the Poulin, it has a slightly smaller area but offers better support in Europe, greater refinement, and professional tools as standard. If you take embroidery seriously, whether as a passion or as a first step towards something commercial, this is probably the smartest investment on the list. Quick summary: if you're starting from scratch with basic sewing, the Brother JX17FE. For advanced creative sewing and quilting without leaving the home space, the Singer 9960. Your first easy, frustration-free digital embroidery machine, the Brother M340ED. Embroidering from your phone on a tight budget with casual projects, the Sketch PP1. Large embroidery area with semi-professional ambition without breaking the bank, Poulin EOC06. European quality and versatility for the demanding user who wants to grow, Bernat B70 Deco. And if you're serious about a personalization and real production business, the Smart Stitch S1001 is your mini factory. All the links are in the description. If this helped, subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next video.